Do you know where all the future leaders of this ummah are? Look in your home. They're right there around you. And what if I told you the best investment time for these future leaders of our ummah is today? It's in your hand. You are the best investors, the caretakers, and the people who are part of the production of those leaders, the transformation of this leader, if you stayed on this message. Today, this video is in support of Masjid Al Ezz Islamic Center that is organized, established by Peel Muslim Community Center. Yes, this is not your everyday, ordinary, common masjid. It's a full package Islamic center. It's a full package real deal for the future leaders of the ummah in your household and mine. So invest today, donate to Masjid Al Ezz, and make the reality for these young Muslims coming true in your lifetime, maybe, inshallah. Today is the time for you and I to invest in the future leaders of this ummah that are in your home and my home. Islamic Center, a gym, a youth center, and a youth transformation center for today's families and tomorrow's leaders. So what are you waiting for? Invest today and help us meet the goals of today's investment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.